You're about to fail your driving test. You see that one last parking space. Your examiner points to it. Your heart starts pounding. You break into a sweat. You know why? Because it's a parallel park. But what if I told you there's a method so simple you could do it with your eyes closed? Okay, maybe not closed, but you get it. This is the only parallel parking method you'll ever need. We call this the Prestige Pivot. Forget everything you think you know. You only need to remember 3 words. Pull up, pivot, straighten. First, pull up parallel to the car in front of the space. Align your side mirror with their side mirror. This is your starting block. Simple. Now, the magic. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Yes, all the way. Now, slowly reverse until you see the car's headlights behind you in the bottom left corner of your left side mirror. This is your secret signal to stop. You're now pivoted in. See that curb in your side mirror? Now, turn your steering wheel all the way to the left and reverse. Watch as your car magically straightens and tucks perfectly next to the curb. Adjust forward if you need to. Boom, you're parked. Pull up, pivot, straighten. That's it. No complicated angles, no guessing. See? The Prestige Pivot turns a nightmare into a non-issue. But what about reverse bay parking? That's a different beast, and we've cracked the code on that too. The link to our reverse bay parking in 60 seconds video is right here on screen and in the description below. Smash that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to Prestige Driving School because we're making you a better driver. One viral hack at a time.